I was down here just 6 months ago, and the water level was at least 20 feet further out. Now it's come all the way up onto the sidewalk in Agawam, Massachusetts, even to the point to where the benches that they have are already soaking in water. I've never seen the water level come up so fast, so quickly. I mean, my God, you can't even walk out to the end of the sidewalk anymore. I don't know what's going on anymore. It's even started to overcome the tree lines almost up to where the buildings are. Wow, this is incredible. And I don't see it getting any better. I mean, this used to be a beautiful place to sit and relax. Now you can't even sit on the benches anymore. What is happening to our world? My God. This is the Connecticut River.